Yo, 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 what is going on today, guys? It's your boy Nyx Gaming back once again today, and we are discussing how to create merch. We're not discussing how to put your logo on a sweater and try to sell it, because only reason people are going to buy that merch is to support your channel. They're not going to actually buy multiples of those or continue buying sweaters and t-shirts and stuff unless something changes about it. And that's what we're going to discuss in this video and how you can do it for under $20. So the reason I say $20 is Placeit.net is $20 Canadian, or around $20 Canadian. It's actually $15 US. So whatever that is to where equals out to wherever you are, it's $15 US. So this program or this website will let you do a whole lot for your graphic design needs as a live streamer. And I personally have used it for numerous of different things, but mostly my merch. Just because it's so easy, it takes me like 5 to 10 minutes to come up with a new merch idea. And this program alone is what allows us to create our weekly merch that we do. And before we get into that, guys, go check out my Twitch page. Give us a follow. It'll be linked down in the description below, as well as our Discord, where there's tons of free overlays. And on top of all of that, there'll be our merch stores there, so you guys can see what all you can design using this program. So without any further ado, if you have not even created a store yet, that's going to be your first step. There's lots of free things, lots of free websites out there. If you have an iOS device, you can use Rageon. If you have a PC, you can use Teespring to sell, and that's where what I personally use. But whatever it may be, go ahead and make your store. After that, go ahead and pay your $15 to Placeit.net and enjoy your designing. So for t-shirt designs or sweater designs or whatever your designs may be that you want, you're going to go into t-shirt designs under the designs tab after you're logged in. And once you've done that, it's very, very easy from here. You pick a design you want. So we're just going to go ahead with this guy. We're going to go ahead with black text just because I find black text looks the best on light colored shirts, and that's what we're going to be putting it on. So really keep in mind what your ideas are for your merch before actually going in and designing them. So once you're here, you can actually change the text, what it all says. So obviously I would put my gaming page in here, Nyx Gaming. This is kind of a medieval theme. We don't really want a medieval theme. We don't play a whole lot of medieval games, so it's not actually like doesn't really represent me. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a new graphic first. So we play a lot of shooter games, but I don't think they will have guns under this. And they have a little bit, but not very much. So let's just say we're gonna go retro and see what comes up. And sure, we'll just go ahead with this guy. So after we have our basic part of our logo here, we're gonna move this to wherever we want it to be. So that pink line means that it's up in the middle. We're actually gonna drag them along and create a little bit of a t-shirt design. Obviously this is just thrown together, so it's not gonna be nearly perfect, and I'm probably not even gonna sell this design, but I'm gonna show you how to get the gist of using it. So after you have that, we actually dig that a lot more. So once again, line it up in the middle, Bring it down there. Bring this up a little bit. And we want to give our text a little bit of a retro theme. So we'll see if it has a new font, see how that one looks. That one actually kind of, I dig the rect solid. So we'll change that on both. Kind of gives me that kind of vibe. So there we go. And then the main thing you're going to want to do is just remove the background. After you remove background, all you got to do is hit download. If you didn't buy the subscription, it would tell you to buy the subscription now, or it would actually give you the option to pay like $10 or whatever the design price is that you chose to buy that design itself. So guys, simple as that. Until next time, hope to see you there. Peace.